guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. Today we are going to do yet another winter haul, and this is going to be New Me winter haul, you guys. I am so excited. उससे पहले मैंने previous video में आप लोगों को बोला था कि जब मेरा 20k हो जाएगा, we are going to do a giveaway, and we are 20k, right? So I'm just going to do a quick announcement for the giveaway, and after that we'll start with the haul. Okay, so giveaway, this is the first time I'm doing giveaway. I don't know how to do it. So we are going to have, I have written it out. Okay, so we are going to have two winners in this giveaway. So the first winner of the giveaway is going to get this coquette sweater, brand new from Savannah. This very beautiful dress from Savannah again. A very cutesy Pinteresty bag. Bow heel, because this year was all about bows. So that is what the first winner of the giveaway is going to get. Actually, I just wanted to have one giveaway winner, but then a lot of you all requested me to put this pink cardigan in the giveaway. So I am going to put this pink cardigan as well. A lot of you guys wanted it. So I'm going to put this pink cardigan in my second giveaway winner. And the rule is that you need to follow me on Instagram, on YouTube, and write anything down in the comment section that you are grateful for this year, as 2024 is about to end. And you can send me the screenshot of the subscription or comment, in my DM on Instagram for extra brownie point. And winners may randomly choose kar lungi. But then if you send me the screenshot in my Instagram DM, that would make my work really easy. And I'll also post more details in the community section, and I'll announce the winner in the community section itself. So yeah, stay tuned guys, all the best. Moving towards the haul, today we are going to do New Me haul, and today is a very wonderful day to buy all the things that I am putting in this haul, because it is New Me's Black Friday sale, and from today there's this sale of buy one and get one free. So this is not a paid video, okay, but then yeah, you can also use my coupon code BREE to get 10% discount on it. Buy one get one तो हो ही रहा है, और ऊपर से आप 10% भी बचाओगे. This is the first sweater, you guys. Oh my god, it is so pretty and so cozy. I love it. It is this kind of yellowish white colored sweater. It is not like white, but yellow kind of hota hai na, white apricot kind of sweater. And of course it has this really cute bow situation happening in the hand area and over here as well in the next section. Those of you all who follow me on Instagram might have already seen this sweater, because I have wore it multiple times already, and it also has been a little bit dirty and it is so cozy and comfy. बहुत ज़्यादा warm भी है. It is knitted very well. The wool that is used is very soft. So I ordered it in M size, okay, and it is like this big. Can you see how big it is? Like my father can fit in this one. ये winter के लिए perfect है. So you can buy this one and you can get another one free with this as well. Just use my code BREE, okay? So the next sweater that I want to show you guys, this sweater, it is like in pink color, and I have already worn it multiple times. This has become my uniform, because it is like right now it's not like so cold, but it's still like chilly. So I like to wear this sweater whenever I'm like just chilling. This is a very basic sweater, and you can make a really easy outfit out of it. And it has this really cute heart thingy going on, which makes it look extra cute. It was for like 900 something rupees, and the size I got was again medium. So yeah, you can go for this one as well. The next product that we have is this varsity kind of jacket. So okay, she's here to disturb me. So yeah, this is the varsity jacket. Actually I bought this like long time ago, like I think 4 months ago, but this is the ideal time that you wear this, and this is for the cool girlies out there. And the best thing about this is kind of like unisex, so I gifted this to my boyfriend and he totally pulls it off. He looks so good with it, and I also wear it sometimes. We can share this one, right? And it is not so thick as well, very lightweighted, but it is very warm at the same time. It has the really good autumn ka feel, the brown color, the beige kind of color in it. It's so good, and ये टैग मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद आया था, that's why I bought it. There are a lot of varsity kind of jacket in Numi, so you can try them out. But if you are looking for real varsity जो इतना ज़्यादा thick हो, this is not the one. This is very lightweighted, but for sure very warm. And I'm not someone who likes to wear ज़्यादा मोटा वाला कपड़ा, ज़्यादा भारी वाला कपड़ा, so this is like perfect for me. This is very basic again. Basic कपड़ा होना चाहिए विंटर में आप लोगों के पास, क्योंकि ज़्यादा dirty नहीं हो जाएगा, सूखने में टाइम लगेगा ये वगैरह. The next one again is one of my favorite cardigans. So this is the next one. I love it. It is so coquette. It is so me, and I love the little heart situation happening all over here. And it is kind of like a cropped sweater, cropped cardigan, and I've already worn it once or twice, and it is so cute, guys. And along with being cutesy, it is also very warm, so winter clothes doesn't have to be boring, right? So this one is just that. I got this in size medium, and price I forgot. I'll put it out here somewhere so you can buy this one. It might be something 1500 something ka. This is the next hoodie that I got, and no matter how much I wear cardigans or cutesy stuff, I will always be a hoodie girly. I am so proud about this find because this is one of the best hoodies that I have. It is so comfy and so nice. You are going to see me wearing this hoodie all way long. So if you are looking for something casual, everyday look, you can go for this hoodie. Next one, again she's here. Next sweater that we have is this blue thick knitted sweater. It is very warm, I tell you. Ye very lightweighted again, but very warm at the same time. It has this zipper. ये zipper का trend चल रहा है, ऊपर से भी zipper, नीचे से भी zipper. तो ये trend चल रहा है अभी. I also love the color that it has. I love how simple it is, and I feel like winter में you should have 1-2 basic things that you can wear every day, especially for college girls, people who have to go out every single day. मैं भी अपने work में जाते हुए ये पहनती हूँ. That's why I got it. Perfect for very chilly days. When I was wearing it, I was feeling really warm and cozy out there. Trousers वगैरह के साथ भी ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा लगेगा. And that is it about this sweater, and that is it about this haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this haul, and आप जल्दी से जाके ये Black Friday sale का आप इस्तेमाल कर लो, buy one get one free में. And giveaway में आप ज़रूर participate करना. I am going to have more giveaway henceforth, and giveaway winner announcement मैं करूँगी in my community section and also in my Instagram story. So bye, I love you all.